Hi everybody, my name is Lupita Tonantzin and I'm the CIO of Becoming Mujeres. So I know most of us know the story of Juan Diego and how the Virgen pushed him to go convince the bishop to build her a temple. We know that she just didn't tell him to sit down and pray and to wait for everything to happen all on its own time. And we know that Juan Diego didn't convince the bishop on the first try. No, he tried multiple times, and each time he began to see his potential, his talents, his gifts, and his strengths through the eyes of the Virgen. He became determined and got through to the bishop, and his story still impacts many of those who believe in the Virgen to this day. Just like Juan Diego, we are called to accept ourselves and use our gifts to help the world and make it a better place. We must learn to see ourselves through a lens of self-compassion, confidence, and esteem. Prioritizing our health and constantly using positive affirmations are the best things that we can do to thrive. I know many of us have social media, and sure, it's really fun. We get to use all these funny filters, we can text our friends, and we can connect and communicate with people all around the world. But the thing is that that connection and communication can have some unfortunate consequences. I know many of us are insecure, especially us girls, and social media doesn't really help that. We're constantly comparing ourselves to many other girls that we believe have the perfect life. But guess what? Those people that you believe have it all, those girls that you believe have it all, are probably going through the same exact thought process as many of you. Comparison isn't healthy or helpful, and it never will be, but loving yourself is. Learning to accept that this is who we are is so much better than constantly being upset that we don't look or live like somebody else. We all have a purpose, and it's not a coincidence that many of you are watching this video today. You are called to live the life that you were meant to, and impact those around you, and all that starts with a little bit of self-love and self-appreciation, and self-compassion. Thank you.